All right, some breaking news now coming in on what's being called the Vape Gate at Parliament, the scandal involving a member of Parliament vaping on the premises. And now the BJP, after filing a formal complaint on this, has actually posted a video of the Trinamool MP in question, and it is Kirti Azad who is seen vaping in Parliament. The BJP says that he hid the e-cigarette in his palm, and they've demanded that Mamata Banerjee herself must clarify on this misconduct. Remember, vapes are illegal in the country, and also the fact that vaping was being done in Parliament is something that the BJP has been in fact making a huge controversy out of it, and now asking that Mamata Banerjee should apologize for this. Well, let's go across to Akhilesh for more. And Akhilesh, give us more details. You know, this has been an ongoing controversy ever since the BJP had raised this issue, and now actually naming the member of Parliament in question, Kirti Azad, also sharing a video.
That's correct, Gargi. In fact, when Anurag Thakur raised this issue on the first day, he did not name any MP, but he also said that it was a TMC MP who was using e-cigarette inside the Lok Sabha. He says that it's very kind of objectionable because there has to be decorum which has to be maintained inside Parliament. The entire Parliament complex, there is a provision that you cannot smoke inside the Parliament House, though there is a smoking area separately for the Member of Parliaments in the old Parliament building. But despite that, we have seen that many MPs smoking in the corridors of Parliament, also in the Parliament complex. But inside the Parliament, it was first time that somebody has noticed it and somebody was actually smoking. Anurag Thakur was very vocal that day. He raised this issue in Parliament during the question hour and also during the 0 hour. And after that, he wrote a letter to Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, pointing it out, and also said that some sort of strong action should be taken against the TMC MP. But now Amit Malvi, who is heading the BJP IT cell and is also co-in charge of BJP West Bengal, has released a video of Kirti Azad, who is a TMC MP, smoking inside. This is what Amit Malvi has said in his tweet, that it is Kirti Azad who is smoking inside Lok Sabha. And now he's demanded answers from Mamata Banerjee, and saying very clearly that Mamata Banerjee must clarify on her MP's misconduct of smoking inside Parliament. So now this issue is, of course, snowballing into a big controversy now. We have earlier seen that 2 cabinet ministers actually intervening when Shaukat Rai was seen smoking inside Parliament complex, and now they have released a video of Kirti Azad smoking inside Parliament. On the other hand, TMC says that it's kind of a diversion from the real issues, and the BJP is trying to raise issues which are not actually important, and they just want to try and divert attention for people from the real issues. Gargi. All
right, Akhilesh, just stay on with us. We also have Pradeep Bhandari, BJP spokesperson, on the phone line with us. You know, your response to this, the BJP now has shared that video and, you know, is talking about Kirti Azad's misconduct. But the Trinamool Congress is saying that the BJP is just distracting from so many other main issues.
Well, the reality is, Gargi, that what the Trinamool Congress MP has done is a breach of the parliamentary rules. It is a violation of the parliamentary rules. It is also illegal, and it is a cognizable offence. I believe that we have already submitted an official complaint. Now the video is out in the public domain, and the Trinamool Congress MP has nothing to hide. However, a question is to Mamata Banerjee, who speaks about Mahamati Manush and speaks about simplicity in public life. Shouldn't she act and suspend her MP for violating the rules in the temple of democracy? If she does not do so, we have an official complaint, and we hope that the chair acts against such a misconduct and illegality committed on the floor of the House, so that an example is set in front of all MPs that you cannot take parliamentary rules for granted.
All right, thanks so much for speaking to us, Pradeep Bhandari. They're hitting out over Kirti Azad's now vaping in Parliament, and now that video too has been released. Also earlier, Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP also hit out over the Trinamool Congress MP vaping.
TMC means total murder of constitution, constitutional bodies. Now it is clear, अब clear है कि TMC मतलब total murder of constitutional bodies. जो सांसद पार्लियामेंट के हाउस में बैठकर स्मोक कर रहे थे, वेप कर रहे थे, ई सिगरेट पी रहे थे, वो कोई और नहीं कीर्ति आजाद है। और संसद की गरिमा गिराने का नया कीर्तिमान स्थापित किया है इन्होंने। अब तो सीसीटीवी फुटेज भी सामने आ चुका है। हम पहले ही कह रहे थे कि टीएमसी को पहली कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए थी। अनुराग जी ने शिकायत तो की है, क्योंकि ये संविधान, संसद का अपमान है, ये रूल्स का अपमान है। वेपिंग करना, ई वेपिंग रखना, स्टोर करना, इसको यूज करना, ये कानूनी रूप से प्रतिबंधित है। तो ये देश के कानून का अपमान भी है, कानून का उल्लंघन भी है। ये कानून बनाने वाले ही कानून तोड़ने वाले बन गए। पब्लिक में स्मोकिंग करना ये भी अवैध है, और सबसे बड़ा कि ये पार्लियामेंट की डिग्निटी के खिलाफ है। सोचिए कितनी मर्यादा की चिंता है इनको। इनके एक नेता कल्याण बैनर्जी ने जिस प्रकार से अपमान किया, चेयरमैन का राज्यसभा के मिमिक्री की थी, इनके नेता ने जुडिशरी सीजीआई का मजाक उड़ाया, उनके ऊपर टिप्पणी की कि टीआरपी के लिए कमेंट करते हैं, लूज कमेंट करते हैं। इनके एक और नेता कभी नृत्य करते हैं पार्लियामेंट के टेबल पर चढ़कर, कभी ये लोग फ्लाइंग किस देते हैं पार्लियामेंट में, कभी कुत्ता लेकर आते हैं और कुत्ता लेकर आने के बाद जस्टिफाई करते हैं कि अंदर बैठने वाले कुत्ते की तरह काटते हैं। तो ये पूरा विपक्ष जो है डिलीवरी में नहीं, ड्रामे में विश्वास रखता है, रूल्स तोड़ने में विश्वास रखता है, और ये संविधान रक्षक नहीं, संविधान भक्षक है।